Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to upload images to your Godaddy website and add photos easily. First, log into your Godaddy account and navigate to your dashboard. Next, click on My Products and locate the Websites plus Marketing section. Click Manage to enter your website management area. Once inside, select Edit Website to open the editor. Navigate to the Gallery section of your site, click on an existing photo to interact with the image options, then hit Done. To add new images, click the plus sign in the gallery. Select the image file you want to upload from your device. Once uploaded, click on the image and then click Add to Photo Gallery to ensure it appears on your site. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded images to your Godaddy website gallery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.